Yeah, my name is Sean, and I've been working at the local day station in Windsor for about 6 or 7 months now, since about July-ish, for ability cleaning. And now, thankfully, I've got a new job lined up as a care assistant at a care home. It feels great to have a new job lined up. So being able to sort of move up, be able to get, obviously getting paid, more money is obviously helpful. Having the ability to sort of climb the ladder and progress further in life. This ability is obviously just an amazing sort of springboard to get you started with stuff. Well, I really enjoyed working, doing the work. Taught me a lot of skills. I learned a lot about teamwork. I learned a lot about problem solving, time management, and then delegating people for different tasks and things like that, and making sure that we do meet deadlines within a time frame. Learn a lot about communication as well, and just making sure that I communicate well, not only with my colleagues but people around the building. Just making sure that everything is done smoothly and everything's done in time. The main thing that ability cleaning was really helpful for me was just getting something really strong in my CV. Like voluntary work is all well and good, but having paid work is obviously a lot stronger on a CV, and that really helps, when finding work. It helped me a lot as well with maintaining a routine. I didn't really have much of a routine before I did ability cleaning, so it was nice just to have that consistent, time scheduling to keep up. So very, very nice. My work employment coach helped me with my CV, formatting it and making sure it looks good, so that obviously when employers look at the CV, that it looks professional. That was something that obviously my work coach was incredible. That was making the CV look really, really professional. My work coach helped me with searching for voluntary work local to me and possible job opportunities. Even if I couldn't do those jobs at the time, we could at least look at online courses to upskill me and sort of get me ready for those jobs later down the line. So it's incredibly useful. They've been incredible for me. Optalis have honestly been more of an impact on my life than I really could have possibly imagined. Not even just work related, honestly. Even my non-work life and just my general social life has improved massively. My confidence has gone up. My communication skills have gone up, even though it still needs a little bit of work. But we're getting there. I would always recommend. There were a few things holding me back in the past. I had a few issues with confidence, and then obviously the pandemic happened and lockdown happened, and it was really hard to find any kind of work, like voluntary work or paid work. So I heard from Optalis, we've got this new thing lined up for people, this ability cleaning. And by the way, it's paid. I was like, this is amazing, I just wanted voluntary work. So when I was told, it was going to be paid work, I was just thinking, that's amazing. That's something solid, something that's really going to be beneficial.